We offer a wide variety of filing guides and maintenance kits designed to sharpen saw chain. Starting with the most inexpensive, but it is the best-selling Swiss chainsaw file guide and a file handle in a nice package. We offer them in all different sizes. Then we jump up to one that has a variety of everything in it. It has the round file, it's got the flat file for doing depth gauges, it's got a stump vise in it so you can sharpen a chainsaw, it's got a chainsaw wrench, it's got a file handle, it's got a depth gauge file, and it's got a sharpening file to sharpen a saw chain in a nice, easy to sell package, but it's also in a container inside the package that rolls up and it gives you the convenience of bringing it with you out in the field. Then we also sell just the simple version where it's got a depth gauge file handle, a flat file, a couple round files, and a file guide in a nice, easy pouch that rolls up that can be thrown in the back. It's easy to carry. And then we carry the little grinding stones for your little handheld grinders. That's one of the kits that we just designed. It includes a 12-volt grinder, a pair of safety glasses, 3 of the little stones, a pair of earplugs, and a nice display. This one here, you just mount it to your battery. Then we have our high-end kit that has different size files, a flat file, it's got the stump vise, it's got a wedge, safety glasses, oil, it's got a spark plug in it, it's got earplugs on it, a nice carrying case, and it's a nice, easy display package. That's also a big seller. Now, one other thing I want to mention, all the products that you see here, we develop these and we can repackage them right here. If you see something that you want, we could private brand for you, give us a call here at Alhborn's and we can fix you up with all your filing needs.